Will this haircut make you look more attractive? I have no idea. I don't know what you look like. But when it comes to hair and haircuts that make you look more attractive, that's really what we're talking about today. So it really comes down to obviously being good looking, but even if you are or not good looking, doesn't matter what you look like, hair plays an important role. So haircuts that make you look more attractive really come down to a number of things. What is the haircut doing for your face shape? What's it doing for what's happening maybe in your eye area, maybe down through here if you have your hair longer, your cheekbones, your lip area? It all really depends, because certain haircuts can actually bring out features that may not be the most attractive in your own opinion. Let's just say hypothetically, I have a very large nose, and if I'm wearing a hairstyle that is completely, maybe slick back off my face, or it's covering my face to here, and all that's exposed is my nose, it's not gonna be great. It's not gonna be as flattering. Okay, so instead, what we need to do is create an illusion or have maybe an off-center parting, a side part or something. Anything that's gonna make your physical appearance not really necessarily be more attractive, but attractive in your own eyes, but also maybe camouflage some of those things that you may not be a fan of, right? And it really comes down to having the right hairstyle. That's up to you and your hair professional. Shorter hairstyles like this work really well, especially if somebody's got a very long face. This helps kind of narrow down the face. This is great for somebody who maybe has receding hairline in the corner. This is really awesome for someone who has, thicker hair, who they, say, oh, my hair is so thick and I have such a hard time when I'm styling it because my hair is so thick. Well, if you have it really short, you can actually mess it up a bit more and create more of a spiky, textured look very easily, which could enhance your style, right? It's a short haircut, but it also can be more attractive for you. Now, if you have a longer face shape, you don't want to have a hairstyle that is very high like this, because it's just going to elongate the forehead, elongate the face shape even more. But if you may have a rounded type of face shape or square or something that's a bit, you need that height, you don't have a longer face shape, you need the height to kind of add some balance to it. So that's where a hairstyle that is going to create volume is going to be awesome for you. If you have, maybe your eyes are your nicer feature, you want something that's going to kind of open this whole area up so your eyes are a bit more exposed, as opposed to covering them up too much where you can't really see them. This is great for also exposing cheekbones. So this will help really show off your entire face. Anything off the face is going to show your face. If you do have one of those kind of modern mop top hairstyles like this is great for someone who has, you can see here, more of a square face shape, all right, but this closes off everything in. If you have a higher forehead, this is going to help hide that insecurity you may have of having a higher forehead. So you're going to create more confidence and feel more attractive with a hairstyle like this. Also, it comes down to hair trends. This is a trending hairstyle, so if you want to just go with the trends to feel a bit more attractive, then that's going to be in your favor. Something like this is really great for closing off a lot of what's going on through here, okay? If you have a rounded face shape and you want to kind of hide the cheekbones a bit, you can actually have this come forward and you can make this a bit more narrow, all right? If you want, you can have, a bit more texture and layering up here if you want to add more volume and create more of a rounded shape. So the haircut and the hairstyle to help you feel and look more attractive really comes down to just having the right haircut for what you want. If you're trying to hide features and you're trying to create an illusion of something, then you have to think about, well, if I bring hair in this one area, then I'm going to be able to hide something. If I lift it off your face, then you're going to see your face, right? Sometimes even if you have hair closed off right in through here and brought down to here, it can bring out the eyes, because, the eyes are kind of only what you see. So you're like, wow, look at that person's eyes, because this is the focal point. This is all closed off and this is all you're seeing, right? This, however, may sometimes accentuate a larger nose like I was talking about, because all of this is closed off and this is the first thing you see is the nose from the side profile. So it really, again, it depends on what you're trying to camouflage, what you're trying to hide or cover up. But in my honest opinion, you should just feel attractive no matter what. Don't be fooled by these YouTubers, or how to wake up with a better jawline, how to wake up feeling more attractive, how to wake up looking like Brad Pitt's kneecap. All these stupid things. Just be confident in yourself, wear a hairstyle that you want, but if you really want your hairstyle to accentuate anything and make you feel better, then you need to talk to your professional so you can work together as a team and make it happen. If you want to purchase any of my products and look more attractive, use code YouTube20 at shop.TheSalonGuy.com.